morning children. Today we will do the book exercises of your English grammar. Okay, so I want you all to take out your English 1 book and open first chapter, noun, proper, common and collective, and open page number 7. Okay, so children, explanation part we have already done. We know what is proper, common and collective noun. So just have a quick recap. What is a proper noun? Proper noun is the name given to any particular person, place or thing. Like if I say Ramesh, Mohan, name of persons, Delhi, Bombay, India, name of place. These are the particular name given to any person or place is known as proper noun. What is common noun? The name given in general to all person, place, animal or thing are the common noun. Okay, like if you say boy, girl, table, chair, book, these are all common noun. Okay, and what is collective noun? When the noun which refers to a collection or group of nouns, or we can say person, place or thing, that is, or animals, are known as collective nouns. Okay, like herd of animals. If I say herd means what? Group. A bunch of keys means what? Means group of keys, or you can say many keys together. Okay, so when we talk about the collection or group, that is known as collective noun. So explanation part we have already done in detail. So today we will do the exercise part. So first we'll start with A. Pick out the nouns from the following sentences and point out whether they are proper or common. One has been done. So first one is done for you. So like that only you will do the rest of them. Like first one, the name of my brother is Varun. So here name is a common noun because name means any name. Brother means brother also means any brother. So it is also a common noun. And Varun. Varun is a particular name given to any person. So it is a proper noun. Second one, Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal for his wife Mumtaz Mahal. Now always remember children, proper noun always starts with capital letter. Okay. So see here, Shah Jahan is a name of particular special name of a person. So it's a proper noun. Taj Mahal again, it's a name of any particular monument. So it is a means Taj Mahal. How many Taj Mahals are there? Only one? No, it is a special, particular. So it is a proper noun. Wife. Wife means any wife. No, there is no any particular name is there. So wife can be any wife. So it is a common noun. Mumtaz Mahal. Mumtaz Mahal is a particular name, special name. So it is a proper noun. So in second one, Shah Jahan, proper noun. Taj Mahal, proper noun. Wife, common noun. Mumtaz Mahal, proper noun. Third one, Ali Baba found a cave full of treasure. Ali Baba, proper noun, particular name. Cave can be any cave, gufa, that is a common noun. Treasure means any treasure, khajana, that is also a common noun. So Ali Baba, proper noun, cave and treasure, common noun. Fourth one, many visitors come to the city in winter. Visitors can be any visitors, so it is a common noun. City can be any city, so it is also a common noun. And winter means winter. There is no special name given to it, so it is also a common noun. So visitors, city and winter, it's a common noun. Sachin is a great cricketer. Sachin is a particular name, so it is a proper noun. Cricketer is also can be any cricketer, so it is a common noun. Sixth one, the match will be held on Monday. Match can be any match, so it's a common noun. Monday comes only once a week. It is a unique, means one only Monday is there in a week, so it is a proper noun. And see, Monday is written with capital letter also. Our school is now closed for Christmas. School can be any school, so it's a common noun. Christmas, only one Christmas is there. Holy one, Diwali one, Christmas one, so it's a proper noun. Have you borrowed any book from the library? Book can be any book, so it's a common noun. And library means we're talking about any library, so it's also a common noun. Actually, children, library is actually a collective noun, okay, but here we have to mention only proper and common, so we will say it common noun. The birds had built their nest in the tree. Birds, common noun. Nest can be any nest, so common noun. And tree, again a common noun. So birds, nest and tree, all are common noun. Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. Mount Everest is only one. It's a particular name, so it's a proper noun. Mountain can be any mountain, so it's a common noun. And world can be any world. It's not any world, but we take it as a common, so it's a common noun. Next is page number 9. Fill in the blanks with nouns which chosen from the given list. See children, here in a yellow box some collective nouns are given now. Here are some more collective nouns and common nouns. They are usually used with a flight of birds, a litter of puppies, a troop of children, a host of angels, a sheaf of corn, a band of musicians, a brood of chickens, a cloud of flies, a coven of witches, a clutch of eggs, a swarm of bees, a pride of lions, an album of photographs, a troop of monkeys, a chest of drawers, a crew of sailors, a rookery of penguins, a leap of leopards, a muster of peacocks, a suit of rooms, a gaggle of geese, a suit of clothes, a gang of thieves, workmen, a library of books, a bouquet of flowers, a rope of pearls, a host of angels, a nest of snakes, a troop of actors, a kennel of kittens. So you have to learn all these, okay? So with pencil you write there, learn it, and you have to learn all these collective nouns. So B part, B question, fill in the blanks with nouns chosen from the given list. So here one box is given and there some common nouns are given, you have to fill it. So a bunch of keys, K-E-Y-S, keys. Second, a flight of stairs, S-T-A-I-R-S, stairs. A suit of clothes, C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes. A gang of thieves, T-H-I-E-V-E-S, thieves. A set of tools, T-O-O-L-S, tools. A herd of cows, C-O-W-S, cows. A school of fish, F-I-S-H, fish. A fleet of ships, S-H-I-P-S, ships. A flock of sheep, S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Don't write S, okay? It is only sheep. A pack of cards, C-A-R-D-S, cards. Now turn your page, page number 10. Fill in the blanks with suitable collective nouns chosen from the given list. So again, fill in the blanks is there. I am telling you the answers. Kalyan chose the smallest puppy of the dash as his pet. So answer is litter, L-I-T-T-E-R, litter. All the furniture the room had was a bed and a chest of drawers, C-H-E-S-T, chest. Somebody had stolen the valuable rope of pearls, R-O-P-E, rope. The crew of the sinking ship, C-R-E-W, crew of the sinking ship, managed to save all the passengers. Fifth, the coven of witches, C-O-V-E-N, coven of witches met at midnight in the wood. The troupe of actors, T-R-O-U-P-E, troupe of actors were rehearsing in a new play. When they cut down the tree, they found a nest of snakes, N-E-S-T, nest of snakes in it. The magician showed us many tricks with a pack of cards, P-A-C-K, pack. We saw a herd of elephants, H-E-R-D, herd of elephants crossing the river. The band of robbers were hiding in the forest, B-A-N-D, band. The troop of soldiers crossed the bridge at the night, T-R-O-O-P, troop of soldiers. See, there are two troops, don't get confused. One is troop of actors, that is T-R-O-U-P-E, and one is troop of soldiers, that is T-R-O-O-P. Our school library has many interesting books. Library, library. Next we move to D1. Pick out the nouns from the following sentences and state whether they are proper, common or collective. So here first one, my mother bought a bunch of bananas from the market. So here mother, banana, market are common nouns and bunch is a collective noun. I repeat, mother, bananas, market, common noun, and bunch of banana means not one banana, means many bananas. So bunch is a collective noun. And page number 11, the gang of thieves broke into and robbed a bank. Now gang means what? One thief or many? Many. So gang is a collective noun. Thieves, common noun. Bank is a common noun. So gang, collective noun, and thieves, bank, common noun. Jesse Owens was a famous runner. Jesse Owens is a particular name, so it's a proper noun, and runner can be any runner, so it's a common noun. She was looking at an album of old photographs. So album can be album means not one photograph. This means the collection of photographs. So album is a collective noun and photographs common noun. So album collective noun, photographs common noun. The team I support won the match. Team means collection, group of players. So team is a collective noun. Match common noun. The lady had a bunch of keys in her pocket. Lady common noun. Bunch means again group, so it's a collective noun. Keys common noun and pocket common noun. So lady, keys, pocket common noun and bunch is a collective noun. A band of musicians was sitting on the stage. So band means not just one musician, a group of musicians. So band is a collective noun. Musicians common noun. Stage common noun. Band collective noun. Musicians and stage common noun. Only a small group of people had come to listen to the speaker. So group, its name itself says collective noun. People common noun. Speaker common noun. So group, collective noun. People, speaker common noun. Julius Caesar was a great Roman general. Julius Caesar is a particular name, so it's a proper noun. Then Roman, it's a again particular name and it's written with capital letter, it's a proper noun. And general is a common noun. The guest was given a bouquet of flowers. So guest common noun. Bouquet means collection of flowers. So bouquet is a collective noun and flowers common noun. So guest and flowers common noun and bouquet is a collective noun. The farmer bound up the sheaves of corn. Farmer common noun. Sheaves collective noun means group and corn common noun. So farmer and corn common noun and sheaves collective noun. The fleet of warships in the harbour was destroyed by the enemy. So fleet means collection. So fleet is a collective noun. Warships common noun. Harbour again common noun and enemy is again common noun. So actually enemy we can take as collective noun here also, okay, because enemy means here, because warships he is talking, so enemy we can take it as collective noun. So you can write fleet and enemy as collective noun and warships and harbour as common noun. Okay children, so with this we complete the book exercise of first chapter, and in the next class we will do the exercise of the second chapter, that is concrete and abstract noun. Okay, thank you children.